brings the utmost convenience in the kitchen. Let me show you. The new LG Smart InstaView refrigerator for the U.S. market features our fast, easy-to-use WebOS operating system. That's right. We've taken the award-winning WebOS platform from our smart TVs to our smart refrigerators, so now consumers can stay connected in ways they never thought imaginable. From looking up recipes, streaming online music and videos, and yes, even online shopping, we're making life in the kitchen that much more efficient and that much more enjoyable. Users can access these many tools and apps via the LG's 29-inch full HD touchscreen display. And of course, you've seen this before, but watch this. Knock twice on the InstaView panel, and you instantly see the food and the beverage items without actually opening the refrigerator door. What does that mean? Save energy and, of course, add convenience. At your fingertips, your family favorites. Additionally, the Smart InstaView fridge comes with a Smart Tag function. It's got 4 different items that you can access. The menu will provide functions like sticker to indicate what food you have inside, the memo to replace those messy sticky notes that are always on refrigerator doors, and the fresh tracker that alerts you to food expiration dates. Interesting factoid. A recent study found 37% of homeowners have discovered a food item in the refrigerator that's at least 2 months past the use-by date. And that's my refrigerator at home. Well, the Fresh Tracker will provide regular updates and will track the expiration date of the food. How about the memo? Let me demonstrate how great this is. You can simply touch the memo, bring up something that you would want to your family to know. Perhaps how happy we are. And we have a smiley face. Additionally, the display screen will even pop up notifications for birthdays or anniversaries. Never miss an important milestone or an item on your to-do list again. Also, our Smart InstaView features a built-in camera which sends images of the inside of the refrigerator to your mobile phone so you can easily check what you need while you're at the grocery store. Another little interesting factoid, 77% of homeowners purchase groceries they didn't even need because they forgot they already had them at home in the refrigerator. We also have a panoramic view. We're the first to offer an ultra-wide angle so you can virtually see it all inside the refrigerator. No need to second guess whether you need more milk. Additionally, there's a suite of WebOS applications that will continue to expand. For example, food channel recipes at your fingertips. Strawberry cookie bars, that sounds tasty.